Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now this will be part 2 of the League of Legends dagger. In part 1 I casted this in brass from empty bullet shells. If you didn't see part 1, just click this pop-up right here. Now in part 1 I also told you guys that I'll be giving away this gold nugget right here, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. Now if you want to participate in this giveaway, you can check the link in the description below. The giveaway will end in 2 weeks exactly from where this video was published. Okay guys, now sit back, relax and enjoy this video. We're gonna start cleaning up this brass dagger. Here we go. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. Now before I show you the result, I'm gonna show you this gold nugget one more time. Here it is. And yeah, it's just a reminder guys, you can win this. All you have to do is follow the link in the description below. Now you can also see the color difference. I'm gonna try and show it to you between brass and gold. Let's see if you can see the difference. So yeah, this dagger is brass and this is a 24K gold nugget, so the gold is a lot more yellow than the brass. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the result guys, and here it is. So I hope you like it. I was planning on painting the handle, but I think this is a lot more cooler than the white color that I was planning to put on it. So yeah, this is the result, guys. Yeah, if you have any ideas which I should make in the next video, just let me know in the comments below. And I wish everyone good luck in participating with the giveaway for this gold nugget. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye!